To ask you a few questions. Have you come on your own will?
Yes.
Yeah? Are you under any pressure?
No.
Is anyone making you take your testimony?
No.
And you want to become a Muslim yourself? Okay then. So I want you to repeat after me. Okay? Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallahu
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluh.
wa rasuluh.
I bear witness
I bear witness
there is no God
there is no God
other than Allah,
other than Allah,
and I bear witness
and I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is his messenger
is his messenger
and his servant.
and his servant.
You're a Muslim! Welcome, Rudy, mashallah! Top back teeth and back. Okay. That.
Alif, Ba,
I need to copy it.
Da.
I need to tell them.
Tha, Jim, Ha, Ha.
That's 2 days in one day.
You're amazing, aren't you? Proud of
Like
you.
one day, like for like half an hour.
Half an hour, he's done and dusted it.